Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a Tuesday morning haul and a Happy Mail share. First I'm going to share with you the Happy Mail that I received. This Happy Mail came from Kendra. Hey girl, thank you so much. Kendra is 504 Pretty Things here on YouTube and on Instagram, and Kendra was out and about shopping like she normally is, and she was in Ross and had found these coffee cups, and they say take me out to the ball game and look how super cute they are. And she sent me a private message and asked me if I wanted these coffee mugs, and I told her yes. And I said, well, how much do they cost? And then she told me, and I was like, yes, I'll take both of them, because the store had two. So I have one to keep and then one to gift. And, you know, I had told her, you know, I would pay her through PayPal, etc. Anyway, so she went ahead and sent these to me, and I absolutely love these mugs. Thank you so much, Kendra. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys show her some love. Go sub to her YouTube channel. She does lots of Tuesday morning hauls. And then also, if you follow her on Instagram, you're going to see all of her wonderful posts that she posts. She posts the latest and greatest crafty finds and just all kinds of stuff. So you will not be disappointed. Kendra, thank you so much for thinking of me. I truly appreciate it. And girl, you know I'm going to get you back. Don't you worry. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and share with you my Tuesday morning finds. I'm going to scoop this stuff over. I'll start with the adhesive that I picked up. I picked up some of this sticky thumb, and it was only $1.49, and I figured this would be a good little crafty gift to gift. I did pick up some red line tape, and it was $2.49. This is the, what is this? 5 inches, 5 yards. This is about, I guess, it's more than a quarter. It's the wider one. And then I got the 1/4 inch, this one right here. And I got these for making mini albums. And then I found this Teresa Collins ephemera pack, and it's called Wanderlust. And it has a bunch of little goodies in here. This is what's in this pack. It's like a travel theme, and I thought that was really cute in the black and gold. Really, really pretty because they're foiled. Picked that up, and then I found this little cute My Mind's Eye. They're 3D Puffy stickers, and I thought this was cute for summertime, and it was $1.49. I did find these jumbo giant paper clips, and I just kind of like the different colors. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but they were $1.69, and I said why not, so I picked those up. I did find a Bow Bunny stamp, and it's a recipe stamp, and I thought that was kind of cool. Perfect for like Christmas time, and if you ever do like cookie exchange parties or anything like that, that's what I had in mind for this. And I actually do plan on doing a cookie exchange around Christmas time at my house this year, so that will be perfect to do that type of thing. And it was $2.99. And then I also picked up this My Mind's Eye chipboard elements, and it's Yes Please, and it has all these fun black and gold chipboard pieces, and I really love the color combination. I don't have the paper, but I love it. So I just went ahead and picked it up, and it was only $1.99. I did find some sequins, so yay for sequins. I picked up this pink mix right here, and it was $1.99. And then I picked up this really pretty blue, which I figured would be pretty for mermaid projects or sea themed. And they were all $1.99. And then I picked up this really pretty one right here, and it's a blue color. So found those. All right, next up, I did find this 3-piece box decor set. It was $5.99. It's by Artsy. And I've seen several ladies creating shadow boxes using, I'm not sure if they're these specific boxes, but using boxes. And I would like to give it a try at some point. And so I went ahead and picked up one, and so I can have it in my stash for when I am ready to attempt a project like that. So I thought that was a fun find. And then up next, I did find some modeling paste, and I haven't tried this brand, and I'm hoping to try it on some projects, but I did get this platinum white color, and then I got this one right here, which is a gold, and it's a really faint gold color, and I'm looking forward to trying both of these different textured pastes. I haven't used textured paste in a while, but I do like to use textured paste when I'm working on mini albums and things like that. But of course you can use them for making tags and all kinds of different projects. So I picked these two up, and I hope they work well. And then the last few items I've picked up were, I picked up this My Mind's Eye, and they're 20 envelope gold liners, and they were only $1.49. I just thought they were really pretty, and it fits an A2 size card. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this DIY, this like a hanging frame, and I thought this would be cute for like when you have parties. You can attach it to the glass jar. So I thought that was really cute, and it comes with 3 in a pack. So I picked that up. And then last but not least, I did pick up these paper milk cartons, and it's a 24 piece, and believe it or not, it's a Recollections brand. So I guess Tuesday morning is buying out Michael's old stuff. I have no idea, but there's 24 milk cartons in here, and they're white. And I figured this would be perfect to easily embellish if I'm going to do some party favors or something really quick. And for $1.99 and you get 24, you can't beat that price. So I thought that was a great find there. All right, that's my Tuesday morning haul. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.